welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to plan financial habits in Tyler Sheets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply open your Tyler. Once you open your Tyler Sheets to plan financial habits in Tyler Sheets, you need to first of all categorize your transactions on the categorize sheets section. Now, you need to then realistically set budget targets in column E of the categories, which will auto-populate for the rest of the year. For irregular expenses, you can manually enter amounts in the correct months on the monthly budget sheet and zero out the others. You can review your spending against your budget on the monthly budget and yearly budget sheets and adjust your targets as needed to stay on track. So, to plan financial habits in Tyler, you need to categorize transaction, set budget targets, and review and adjust. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.